Jai Hind. I am Avinash Sharma, Sweep Ambassador, NSSBIT, the largest democratic country in the entire world, and a country which holds the record of successfully administering the largest free and fair elections. It is the Constitution of India that gives the right to each and every Indian citizen to be part of, who is 18 years or above. Hence, every year, the Election Commission of India celebrates January 25 as a National Voters' Day when the Government of India spreads awareness among people about the importance of vote and election photo identity card, that is also called as EPIC. One can apply for voter ID card in three different ways: online, offline, or semi online methods. Voter ID is only issued after necessary verification of all the documents and details provided by the applicant. Even amidst the pandemic, we, the volunteers of NSSBIT, we are determined enough to help the people provide with the crucial information and guidelines via this video regarding the issue of fresh EPIC. But at first, let's take the oath which every citizen or Indian citizen should take. Further, the sessions will be carried out by the volunteers Shalini Srivas and Stuti Mishra. Let's take the oath first.
I, an Indian citizen, take oath that I will exercise my valuable right given by the Constitution of India of casting my vote under every possible circumstance and whenever given the opportunity.
Let us begin the process of making your elector's photo identity card, also known as voter ID. We really hope to see more and more of young voters in the coming elections. Type NVSP in your Google search bar. The first hyperlink leads to the official portal. Since you have to make a new account, click on Don't have account registered as new user. Get your mobile number registered, fill relevant details and set a password as directed. Now log into the NVSP portal with your new account. Click on Fresh Inclusion/Enrollment. Fill in your address details carefully, including the constituency you'll be casting your vote from and an address proof.
Fill in your birth details and upload a document as the proof of your age as well as an age declaration form. This age declaration form can be downloaded from this page itself. Fill in your personal details and upload the most recent photograph. The Additional Information tab asks for information related to any disabilities. Fill them if applicable. Declaration tab asks you to declare that you have registered for just one constituency in the country. Fill appropriate details. Preview the information that you have filled one last time and submit the form. With this, your application for Voters ID card is submitted. You will be provided with a tracking ID to track the status of your card.